So just quickly with the tires, we've talked about just filling them up with air. What about nitro? Is that going to be any better for me? You grimaced.
I just think unless you know that it's from a source that you know is pure, and you are using that vehicle on a racetrack, there's very little to recommend nitrogen for. Other than, if you know it's coming from a bottle of nitrogen that you know is as pure as it can be, it's not contaminated with anything. You know that you're able to vacuum your tire out to get everything out of it, so that you're only putting nitrogen back in, because there's no point putting nitrogen into a tire that's already got air in there.
Because then it's corrupted and you're doing nothing.
Waste of time. And if you're going around a racetrack and you're talking about extreme tires, temperatures, and you see what nitrogen does is nitrogen maintains it's less affected by temperature at the temperatures we